Hello, welcome to my Son de Franc. Today I'm going to be making a beef stew. I have a pot and I put a little bit of oil in there, and I'm just going to put in the meat, and that goes in first, so here we go. Let's give this a mix real fast. The ingredients are pretty simple, and I have here some olives and raisins. I have chipotle peppers, tomato sauce, and I don't have any salt added in mine. And I also have this hearty vegetable soup. It's just organic gluten-free soup with vegetables in it. I think it's a tomato base. So I'm just gonna add the olives and raisins in, and mix that up. Get those starting to cook because I want the meat to absorb all the flavors. So this is going good. Now for seasoning, I have this Fajita seasoning mix, and I'm not going to add the whole thing, I'm just going to add it to taste. So I'm just going to add as much as I think would go, and I think that's good enough because I just want like a flavor, and just get all the meat covered in the seasoning. Get some spices in this meat. Yeah, I hope you try it because you don't want to miss out on things just because you have never experienced it before. What better way to get used to cooking at home than doing something different and broadening your experiences in life. So I encourage you guys to try all my recipes, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay. This is brown, so you can see those raisins are clumping up. So now I'm gonna add these chipotles. See how many I need. So it says chipotles in adobo sauce. So try to get this out. I guess put some sauce on it. Ooh, they smell spicy. It has a lot of flavor, I can tell, but they smell spicy. So these are the chipotle peppers. Can you see them? Okay, and I'm gonna put 2 in there. Oh, this is a big one. So this is 2, but like it's really, I guess it's 1.5. And some of the adobo sauce. And let's see, I'll give that a mix. So next I'll add some tomato sauce. And I want the whole can. Add in there. And I have here stock cubes, beef stock cubes. It says Masala beef stock cubes. So I'm just gonna add one. You see it going? The smell is so aromatic. I'm gonna go ahead and add the stock cube and see if I can break it down. Alright, it's breaking down. And give it a mix. I'm gonna add this soup next. Just vegetable soup. So here goes a can of water. And let's mix that up. And cover it. So I added some cornstarch to some water and give it a stir. That way it'll thicken up and it'll be a nice consistency. So just make sure it's all mixed up and cover it back up and let it cook. Alright guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's try it. That's really good. Those vegetables have so much flavor in them. Well, hope you guys tried it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.